The Vivo Y500 Pro is set to launch in China on November 10th, and Vivo has been ramping up its teaser campaign. Vivo Y500 Pro will be available in light green, titanium black, soft pink, and auspicious cloud gold colors. The Vivo Y500 Pro has a 6.67-inch display that supports a 1.5K resolution. The device is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7400, alongside 12GB RAM and either 256 or 512GB storage. It further reveals that it has a 32-megapixel front camera and an OIS-enabled 200-megapixel Samsung HP5 plus 2-megapixel dual camera setup in the round camera island on the back. It is officially confirmed to house a 7000 mAh battery and is expected to support 90W wired charging. The handset is also said to come with IP68 plus IP69 ratings for dust and water resistance and feature an anti-glare glass back with a satin finish and weighs around 198 grams. There is no information available about the Vivo Y500 Pro's price for China. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.